What? Whoa. Whoa. You saw that, right? Okay, whoa. That was really weird. The gate just malfunctioned. Yeah, there's a train over there. It stopped. Yeah, there's a train over there. That was weird. I've never seen anything like that before. Okay. There's a train stopped over there, but I've never ever seen the gates go like wig out like that. Like that. Like that's really weird. Get your facts straight, relay case. Come on. You're the head of it all. Come on, relay case. Be diligent in what you're supposed to do. Like the crossing gates go down at the right time.
She didn't tell me that. That's why I'm upset. She didn't tell me that. Is that, oh, no problem. I really talked with the director and I'll get back to you. And I said, so...
That was a malfunction. The gates didn't even go down and the train approached the other crossing.
I'm sure you can understand.
I know that for a fact.
Yeah.
I've never seen anything like that before. I'm waiting for the truck. It's coming.